When your support teams in Salesforce and your engineers are in Jira, critical deadlines get missed. Support escalates a case, engineering creates a bug, and someone has to manually copy deadline info between platforms. SLAs are hard to track. There's a better way. Salesforce and Jira can talk to each other using connector for Salesforce and Jira paired with time to SLA. When a deadline is set in Jira, it automatically shows up in Salesforce. Both teams see it at the same time. A support agent creates a case in Salesforce. One click to escalate. A Jira work item is created instantly, SLA timers start, and the deadline appears back in Salesforce. No manual work. The engineering team opens Jira and sees the SLA countdown. Support opens Salesforce and sees the same deadline. Both teams know exactly how much time is left. Because the apps automatically share information, there are no manual handoffs. With connector for Salesforce and Jira and time to SLA, you never miss a deadline. Your teams stay focused on their work, not on copying information between tools. Support and engineering hit their SLA targets together.